Who are you? What's your name?
My name is Courtney.
Courtney. Hi, my name's Swan. She's really attractive. I was like, damn, I gotta come talk to you. What are you up to right now?
I'm about to go pack. I'm volunteering in Mexico this weekend.
Wait, what part of Mexico? Let's go.
Agua Prieta.
Oh, I'm going to Mexico in like a couple days. I'm going to my hometown, Chihuahua.
Cool.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that. Where is it?
It's like 6 hours south of the border. What do you like to do for fun?
Are you taking pictures of me?
I absolutely am, yes.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I am. Why?
At least I know about it.
Is that a problem?
No.
Okay. I was just wondering if you can tell me where the MU is.
MU?
Yeah.
Are you taking photos?
No. Yeah, no, sorry. I'm not gonna lie, I was actually, but
Why?
it's something I do for fun. But yeah, I'm just looking for something to eat.
Memorial Union is right there.
They have that's where the cafeteria is and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, man. Appreciate that.